In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Alibaba account. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting an account is a permanent action in many cases. It can affect your access to messages, order history, and saved settings. If you've got pending orders or open disputes, consider resolving those first so nothing is left hanging. Begin by opening your Alibaba app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the most up-to-date version so the menus and buttons look like what I'm describing. If the app prompts you to update, go ahead and let it finish before continuing. Next, tap Sign In and log in with your account. Enter your credentials and complete any on-screen prompt that appears. Logging in ensures you're managing the correct account and gives you access to the privacy and account options needed for deletion. Once you're in, you should land on the home page. From the home page, look for My Alibaba. This is typically your profile or account hub where you can manage your personal settings, preferences, and security options. Tap My Alibaba to open that section. Inside My Alibaba, find the settings area. This is often represented by a gear icon, and it's where the account controls live. Tap Settings to continue. Take a moment to look over the options so you know you're in the right place. Within Settings, locate the option labeled Delete Account. Tap Delete Account. At this point, you'll usually see a notice explaining what deletion means. Read the information carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether the action is reversible. If you have any remaining balance, active subscriptions, or ongoing transactions, the app may warn you about those. To continue, tap Delete Account again when prompted. This second confirmation is designed to make sure you understand the impact and that you truly intend to proceed. If you see any checkboxes acknowledging the consequences, review them and confirm as appropriate. Finally, when the last confirmation screen appears, tap Delete Account again. This final tap submits the request. Depending on Alibaba's policies and your account status, deletion may be immediate or may go through a short processing period. You may receive a confirmation message in the app or via your registered contact method indicating the request was submitted successfully. That's it. You opened the Alibaba app, signed in, went to My Alibaba, entered settings, and confirmed delete account multiple times. If you don't see the option, make sure you're fully logged in and try updating the app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.